Today at MOBHouse Punboxing. If you think that laptops from the fruit brand looks bland, throw it in a blender and toss it out, my friend. Republic of Gamers is ROG. If you're looking for a laptop, just follow me. The Zephyrus is fierce, fast and furious. It's black or white and got your momma curious. Not a jailbait though, it's a G14, more underrated than the mangosteen. If you're walking down the street with this laptop in your hands, then you know that other guys don't stand a chance. Ryzen to the top, it's got polka dots. You can even put your face on it to show your rock. It's white and made of solid aluminum. Gonna cost you at least a few grand minimum. 2K IPS with 300 nits. They even made a full HD 120Hz so you don't throw a fit. Only 1.7 kilograms, are you serious? How to pack so much power in this? It's ridiculous. Don't forget about the keyboard. Warriors, no RGB bullshit. Oh, it's glorious. 10.7 hours of video playback. You got a battery powered TV in your backpack. We're gonna talk about specs next, specs flex. So don't you go anywhere, okay? Sit back and relax. Thank you for supporting my brand new rap single. Nice leh, this laptop, people use CNC one, okay? Somehow got fingerprint sensor on the power button and the very powerful 2.5 watt speakers with smart M technology. Changania! Just like this very Gao Ryzen Gao C Gao Kong Kong HS processor with 8 cores, 16 threads at 3.0 GHz. Also we have the Nvidia Geforce RTX 2060 Max-Q graphics card with 6GB of GDDR6. You know what I mean? This laptop also comes with two 8GB of Ddr4 Memory rated at 3200 MHz. One is very steady, soldered on board, and the other one is such a slot that you can take it out and put in some RAM to go up to 24GB of RAM. For storage, there's 11TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD that is very fast and snappy. And the network, you will get the Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. Once again, I'm not going to go too deep into the holes lah. You see yourself lah. Wait! They have USB 3.2 Gen 2. Somehow one of the Type-C port also acts as a display port and can be used to charge the laptop. Whoa! Some more, in case people want to steal a laptop, right? Some more got Kensington lock leh. Wow, damn kiasu, right? This is the ROG Zephyrus G14, which is priced at only 7,699 ringgit. So cheap buy! Simply because Dave 2D say the laptop will make the blue team worried. Whoa. He say one not me Don't believe, go watch his video You watch until here, gao team already anyways. I don't need you anymore. But okay please share this video and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see these videos in 4K. You use Wi-Fi 6 ma? Where can watch in 1080p, bro?